Me excited, me excited. Look here, people, no need to come right here, so come draw on a chair. Ma come to the for big up my good shipping company, Island Wide Express, the #1 shipping company in Jamaica and the best shipping company ever. Yes, I said that. Who don't like that? I bear my back broad. Look here, I just want Island Wide Express, I just want big on up for the good, proper, nice, clean work on I do to ensure that my packages reach to me on time within the time frame that you guys said. You guys have never disappointed. And I've never expressed this until recently, that you guys, Island Wide Express, is the shipping company that I saw, that I trusted and started using, why I started shopping online. People will recommend me to all sorts of different shipping company, but I wasn't feeling them. It's on when I see ads on social media about Island Wide Express, something about you guys sparked me, and I had to try. And from I tried you guys, over a year now, you guys have not disappointed, and I am pleased to express I love the customer service. I love the step-by-step notifications that you guys would give me to say that my package is here, it's where, and all of that. And you guys, people, they are the only shipping company that gives free shipping coupon. There's no other shipping company that I know, and nobody around me express, that they are getting free shipping coupon from their shipping company or whatever. Only Island Wide Express does these things. They look after their customers. They make sure that we are served. And then both say bad. Island Wide Express, big up on yourself every time. And I switch number